Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do full screen on VLC on your iPhone. Doesn't matter which iPhone, this is the 17 Pro Max. Now, of course, all you gotta do guys is go ahead and open up VLC. Alright, so here I have a video. Let me show you the video. Let me pause. It's kind of loud, so I'm going to turn down the volume because while I'm speaking, it's a bit difficult to speak and control the volume. So I've removed the volume. Sorry, to do in this tutorial, I'm going to show you to do a full screen. So in order to do a complete full screen, you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to tap on the screen. You're going to look right here. You're going to see this rotation icon. You're going to go ahead and hit it. Then of course the video is gonna fully rotate as seen here. Next, it's still not completely full screen, so let me go ahead and play it. So it's still not fully full screen. Look right here, you're gonna see this icon that's right here. You're gonna tap once, it's gonna go full screen, and if you tap again, it's gonna be small. All right, so if you tap once, it's gonna be small. Tap again, it's gonna be smaller. Tap again, it's gonna be full screen like this, but it's not fully full screen, so tap again. All right, so there you go. So you have to tap it a few times. Once you tap it a few times, it should become the right size. So tap once, there you go. If you're not getting the full effect of completely full screen, go ahead and close the app and start again. So as you can see here, now we have the full effect of the screen, and that's how you get a completely full screen on your device. You can always rotate and it will go back, and rotate again, it will go back to full. If you need to adjust it, go ahead and tap there. All right, so that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.